Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, I'll be unboxing my latest Hermes purchases, and I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I got this item some time ago, but I just didn't have the time to unbox them, so I'm so excited to finally show you what I got. Some of these items I bought in the past and I actually ran out of them. I just had to replenish the stock, but some of these items are new. I'm trying them for the first time. The first item is what I previously got for my mom and I absolutely loved it. I previously showed it in one of my vlogs, but very briefly, and I'm so happy that it was still available so that I was able to buy it. I just love Hermes scarves, and this one is my second, and actually I love the idea that you can even frame it and put it on a wall. I have seen it done before. 3 of them side by side looked really pretty, but I think I will just wear it instead. It's so beautiful and I just love the way it looks with my other clothes. It has so many stunning colors and it's so easy to match it. It feels very comfortable and it's perfect for aircon places, especially office or when going to the cinema. And this is the scarf that I previously purchased. I love that shade as well. That was my first one and I worn it a lot and I'm so glad that I have it. I think in the future I will add more scarves. By the way guys, I will link down below all Hermes unboxing videos in case you want to check them out. I will definitely get more things from the brand because I'm loving the quality and my wish list is quite long. Alright, the next item is not a scarf, and I know that I previously said that I will not be buying this. However, this one is in different color that I don't have in my collection, and I absolutely love the combination gold on gold. It's so stunning, and I think I will be able to wear it quite often. It's so beautiful, it's so easy to adjust it. And you can make it as wide or as narrow as you need to be. When I tried it on, I just fell in love with it and I knew that I had to add it to my collection. It's so elegant and classy and I feel like it would go with so many of my outfits. I love the way it looks with my jeans. I think in the future I will also add a pair of shoes in the same color. I usually love to match my accessories, and maybe in the future I might even add a bag in this exact shade. It's so stunning. Anyways, here is my other purchase which I absolutely love, and I feel like I'll be wearing this one so often because of the color combination. It's so practical and so gorgeous. I was actually surprised that it was available in the store. It's in the color Nata. I absolutely love that shade and I feel like it will be so easy to match it with my clothes. I have so many sweaters in this exact shade of white, and actually it's rather hard to find a perfect belt in this shade of white. Usually the color is a lot whiter. I was so surprised that this belt was available in the store. I actually did not see this exact color combination on the website. That's why it's better to check the stock in the store. And I absolutely love the buckle. I love that it's in yellow gold and it's such a stunning combination, the off-white and yellow gold. And I also absolutely love the fact that it's scratch resistant, which is so important for me. I would also need to punch another hole because it's a bit too big for me, but that's not a problem. And that's how it looked on me. You see how it matches my sweater? It's perfect. I'm obsessed with this belt. I love it so much that I'm actually considering getting another one in case something happens to it. I feel like it's going to be my most used item this year, that's for sure. And also the black and gold combination is so pretty, and I'll wear it a lot like that as well, especially with everything black outfits. So gorgeous. I love the quality of Hermes belts. They are so well made. And here is another item that I picked up. You can guess what it is. It's a nail polish. I used to have this color, but I actually forgot it at my mom's. I had to get a new bottle for myself. I absolutely love the shade. It's so bright and beautiful, and I feel like it elevates my mood. And I still love the previous color that I'm currently wearing on my nails. It's also very pretty. These two are probably my favorites. I would say that Hermes' nail polishes, at least those that I tried so far, are pretty long wearing. I can wear them for an entire week, and I typically wash my hands very often. So that's why typically nail polishes don't really last on me, except these ones. Next up, I got a hand cream, and actually I used to have this one. This one is quite nice. I use it quite often, and I decided to get one tube that I could take to work with me and another one I would keep at home. Both of them are identical. It's just one is bigger in size and another one is smaller, just so it's easier for me to carry it in my bag. I like the fact that this moisturizer dries quite fast, which is very convenient. I just have to make sure that I use a very thin layer of it. I'll definitely continue using more of this, and once I finish this too, I will get more, that's for sure. Next up is the perfume that I recently discovered in Bangkok airport. I spotted it and I just fell in love with the scent. It's not too sweet, but it's also fresh. I just love it. And I also picked up this perfume, which I already purchased in the past, and I just love this scent. I actually have another bottle, but I don't have much left, so I decided to replenish the stock. I typically wear this perfume when going to work. It's not very strong, and I usually get a lot of compliments. I'll probably keep one bottle in the office and one at home. Sometimes I alternate it with this perfume. I'm actually planning to post another vlog where I'll talk about my favorite perfumes, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!